Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm eating a double cheeseburger and some fries with some special sauce, and I'm on the beach right now with a whole flock of seagulls watching me eat because I threw some onions to them and some pickles because I don't like that. And they had a weird, hugely chopped onions on this burger, which I don't remember them ever putting that before. I don't know. It's weird. Like when you order cheeseburgers, or rather double cheese, same thing really, but it's weird when you order either one of those. Some restaurants include the lettuce in them. It's so weird. Just spilled water on me. Yeah, some restaurants include lots of tomatoes and freaking lettuce on them and stuff. It's like, okay. And some of them don't even have tomatoes and things. Weird. But this is the cheeseburger. It's like, I don't know how you describe it. Just, I took out the onions and the pickles and just kept the sauce and whatever else. That's pretty much it on there. And some little recon onions, I think. I don't know. Let's take a bite. I'm hungry, guys. This is the first thing I ate today, so. I think I literally spilled a whole bunch of water on me. Like, too much. My favorite thing about this restaurant is this sauce. It's kind of like it's like when you mix ketchup and mayo together, the color, but the taste is obviously different. But it's still good. This patty or whatever is really messed up. I don't know. If you guys could see all the birds that are out here right now, oh my god. It's crazy. Crazy how much. So I know that I'm late, but Wendy's back from Wendy's eating show. I knew she wasn't gonna leave because, I don't know, I just felt like she wouldn't. And I'm glad she didn't. You know, nothing wrong with taking a break from YouTube every once in a while. Because a lot of people were mean to her on her channel after she became, like, really successful. There were mean reasons. I'm probably glad she wanted to leave. But then, after that video she posted of wanting to leave, all her supporters came out. So, hopefully now she knows she does have people who do support her. I'm sorry if this lighting is bad, guys. I don't know. Sorry, I was teasing these seagulls. I'll give you guys only leftovers, don't worry. This is honestly the bomb. Look at that. In the past, I would order these like plain. I'm slowly starting not to order plain hamburgers because I want to be able to, like, not be such a picky eater, you know? Be able to taste the good things in the hamburgers. The sauces are good. Like, I didn't even have any sauce on them. But now I'm just keeping the sauces and the recon onions slowly. And hopefully from there we can go to keeping lettuces on. We'll have to see, you know. But seriously, this is so freaking good. on. Hey, what? He's like drooling out of his mouth. Are you okay? It's like they know every time a person comes on the beach, they go follow the car, wait outside. There's one like that just showed up when I got here, and then the whole flock of their family came. They're only users though, they only stay with people if they have food. And there's even like a crow. Holy shit, I think there's literally like 20 birds surrounding my car. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy. I swear, if that one lands on my car, Today's like a semi-nice day, I guess. I don't know. Could be better, but, you know, it's like not raining right now, so that's a plus. The thing I like about this place though, I don't like the regular fries, like the bigger ones I mean, because I feel like they're really tasteless, so I like these smaller ones. I call them straight fries. I forgot what they call them. I don't know what they call them. Skinny fries, I heard the guy say. I don't know. But I prefer these over there. Other ones that I always used to get. I need to check up some places online and see what kind of restaurant there is and what to order to try new things for you guys. It's just hard when you're a picky eater and you just worry about if something's not going to be good. You know? I don't know. I want to do like a corn dog one for you guys. And a hot dog. By the way, I hope you guys look my last upload of the 50 questions. It was different, but it was really fun. I enjoyed doing it. It's like a little video that you can get to know me a little bit better. I already did one of those videos, but that was just me talking randomness, but truthness, but just random whatever came up to my mind. This one was actual questions. So that was fun to film. So I definitely want to do more videos like that. You know? I think it'll be fun. By the way, I did dye my hair a little bit darker. The bottom parts at least. I don't know. So I have like something stuck in my teeth. Food, obviously. Look. I don't know if the camera does justice, but it's so good. And I'm sitting on my passenger side of the car because I didn't want the huge wheel to be in the way. So I was like, you know what? Let's just switch it up. And I like being like this. I feel like I have more space to like eat and spread out without having a annoying wheel right in front of me taking up the whole space. So there's this salt thing, and it freaked me out at first because I dropped it and I wasn't sure if it's those weird, like, you know those little packets that they have when it comes with like in shoes or whatever, like bath salt things. I don't know what the fuck you call it, pardon my French, but it freaked me out. I was like, this better be the actual salt that was in this box, but it turns out it is. I read the description, so I was like, I ain't trying to go nuts and accidentally eat something I'm not supposed to, you know? That would not be fun. So good. Sorry. My hair is bugging me. So I really hope you guys like the 50 questions one. I like doing it for you guys. It was fun. It was different. You know. I'm slowly starting to get back into makeup because, you know, I always used to do fancy eyeshadow back when I was younger. Obviously, not anymore, but back in high school, and I think middle school, I'm not sure. Yeah, used to do really nice eyeshadows with like half the colors. Obviously, nothing like those YouTube gurus, whatever you call a makeup guru, do. There's a freaking seagull in my car. I think, oh no. I swear this seagull is like drooling. I have a couple of french fries left, which I'm going to feed to the seagulls. And then, yeah, I'm going to end this right here, though, so I can show you the part of them all on the beach. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I'm open to, you know, new types, new suggestions, whatever you guys want to see, let me know. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you like what I do, I guess. And, yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and let me show you them real quick again. I'll show you in another part, but thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Every single time I eat, they bring their whole family here on the beach. It's like a family reunion with these birds. They're my flock. Look at that. Oh, there's one on top of my car. Let's see if we can see him up here. Oh yes, we could. Little buffalo. I think he just flew off, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's my flock.